Today I am at 2nd Parish Court in Gretna, Louisiana for a DWI trial. Stayed up late last night preparing for the trial. I also filed what is called a motion in limine to exclude certain evidence from what the judge is going to consider. For a first offense DWI here, this would be a bench trial. There is no breathalyzer test, there is no field sobriety test, but she did go to the hospital and she agreed to a blood test. Now, when the blood test was taken, they did not find any alcohol in her system at all. But they did find a trace amount of 11-nor-delta-9 THC-9 carboxylic acid. And at first glance, you might think that, oh, THC, this means marijuana. And it even has the words in all caps positive on here. But when you look into what this actually is, it is a inactive metabolite, which doesn't actually prove there was any impairment on THC. So that's why we filed the motion in limine, so that we can prohibit the state from trying to introduce a lab result, which we think is going to be prejudicial. And it's not actually proving that our client was under the influence of any marijuana or drug at the time of the arrest. So we'll see what the judge says. If we get an adverse ruling, we may file for continuance so that we can subpoena the analyst who reviewed the lab results, or we might just be going to trial.